you ready?
Yes. Wow. So did you bring this from the tree, palm tree?
Yes, this is from the palm now. It's not yesterday, now. Just
fresh.
3 minutes, yes.
Okay, so for how long this coconut grow on the tree? For how long? 1 month or?
Normally, coconut, if you plant down,
Yeah.
then if it's calm, like a coconut palm like this, it's 10 or 15 years, then we can have coconut.
Oh, really?
And the coconut, it's stay 6 months, come dry coconut. But now we have 3 types of coconut, 3 stages of coconut. The one stage is 2 months, it's a gel coconut. And this is 4 months.
4 months.
It's not really coconut, but it's soft coconut.
Okay.
So we call it coconut fruits. And we have a brown coconut. This is real coconut. It's 10 months or 6 months.
Yeah. Very sharp.
Yeah. Sharp machete.
Okay. Very hard.
Yeah, but not so hard. So it's just a bit.